come back to you, okay? Just take a little tour. And if you go shopping or something, go into a shop or find out what's happening with those people that are scurrying. And I'll come back
Okay.
to you, okay?
All right.
Okay. OG, what's going on? What do you see? Where did you end up?
I came upon a village. This this village was right by a city, but it seemed like they were greeting me, like like saying I haven't been there in a while. And they're excited I came back. He said my name, and then I started to do like gymnastics and stuff with them. I guess I started to just do a whole bunch of flips with them, whole bunch of back flips, front flips, and it was like a whole like routine I had did with like 6 other people. They all look like me, but some of them are taller than me. Some of them are bigger than me, and I'm 10 foot. Supposedly, I feel 10 feet.
Nice. So do you look like an avatar? Would you say?
Yeah, I look exactly like that, but it's like my body structure is like on my upper half, it's like I'm built like Hulk, and then like my lower half, it's like I'm built like an avatar, but my legs are kind of more muscular too.
Wow. Okay, beautiful. And so you feel like you've been there. Can you ask them, is this your home?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. How cool is that? See if there's something that they would like to tell you. This is your opportunity to have your own little private conversation with them. And if you choose to share it, you can. If not, you can keep it as a treasure for yourself. But just see if there's something they'd like to share with you. Ask them some questions, whatever you desire to ask, and just enjoy it for a moment. And, you know, let me know if you feel like this is home and you're, glad to be back and you're back with old friends, or if you feel like, you've come back to school or something. So just take a moment and take it in and just let me know how that feels for you. And while you're doing that, I'm just going to check back with Cece and find out what she's come up with. Cece, what's going on in your end over there? Did you go shopping or anything?
No, I started talking to the lady and the little girl.
Oh, what happened?
Um, they kind of pulled me into like a really silent space. You're still standing outside, but the little girl is saying that her mother wants her to remember something, and she's like, it's important, and mom is telling her that it's important, and she's worried that she's gonna forget. Her and I are like playing with a ball, and I'm trying to reassure her that she won't forget, and when she needs the information, she'll easily be able to recall it. Um, and then for mom, I don't know. She knows me. We hugged, and I'm asking her what's going on. Why is everybody so like they feel so frenzied? And it's like a time limit on something. Like they have a certain amount of time to finish something. I'm not sure what though.
See if you can find out. See if the mother will can give you some more information. Ask if
Um,
there's any way you can help, perhaps.
that's a good. Okay. She's just saying how it's important for her daughter to remember the information that they've talked about, and I don't know what it is they spoke about, and I don't understand what everybody is so frenzied about. Like, um,
Can you ask the mom if everything's okay with her?
she says she's fine. They're fine. Whatever task they had to complete or whatever thing they had to do, she already did it.
Oh, good. Time passed by.
Right.
Look at how fast a blink of an eye goes. Beautiful. So, let's see. Let's try something. I want to send love to the mother and the daughter and just give thanks for their connection. I'm going to send them some love. Tell me if they can feel it.
Yes.
And what does that look like for them?
They're both smiling and warmed up. They warmed up.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Is there anywhere else you'd like to go? You want to do you want to hang out there or do you want to keep on wandering around?
I'm gonna keep wondering.
You want to describe what the buildings look like? Or what does it look like around you?
It's like there's a lot of different businesses and buildings. Um,
How are people moving around? Are they walking? Are they driving? What do they use to move around on this planet?
Mostly people are on foot. It's starting to clear out. Like it's not as many people uh, outside as it was earlier. Like they're starting to taper off.
Were you in a city, a busy city, or was it like a town, small town, or what would you say?
It might have just been the like downtown area, like a very busy area.
Uh-huh.
As the more I walk, the more people are starting to taper off. So I'm getting away from their central little hub area or like their downtown area.
Uh-huh. Did you see any clothing shops or any shops you want to go in and check out?
Not really.
You're not a shopper.
I am a shopper, but I feel like I have somewhere to go.
Okay, let's see where you're being drawn to. Are you walking or are you driving your car?
My thing is parked.
Okay.
Thing is parked. I'm walking.
Okay. I want you to go ahead and keep on walking and keep on walking until you get to your destination. And when you do, take a good look around you and take it all in, and I'll come back to you and find out what you've found, okay?
Okay.
Beautiful. Oh, gee, where are you now? Are you still there with them, or you guys eating at a barbecue? What's going on?
Yeah, I'm just talking to them. They they are definitely telling me, um, you know, I was supposed to been here. They said they said King Malachi, or not King Malachi, or King Malakwaki, King Malakwaki, and I've been a light worker, warrior, coming from Earth back to Nibiru for millennials now. And so they just said, I'm glad you chose to finally come back. because 10 years here or 10 years on Nibiru is not 10 years on Earth. He said I was on Earth for like a million years doing stuff, like just doing stuff from timeline to timeline, but really just being a multi-dimensional light worker and helping the race evolution themselves into where they need to go. So they just excited I'm back. Yeah.
Beautiful. Can you ask them